The timer on this dryer is making a weird sound when you turn it. It still functions, but the sound is annoying, so we're gonna try to fix it. Unplug the dryer. Our screwdriver here. These screws take a star bit, something like this. So we're gonna see. Yeah, that one fits. Yeah. We're gonna take these 4 screws out. See, it's that kind of screw. So this is the timer. We've already unplugged the dryer, but we're gonna put gloves on anyway. It's just a good habit when working with wires or electricity in general. Plus, dryers are dryers receive 240 volts, so which is like twice like every other outlet in your apartment's usually like 120 about. So best to be extra careful. We're gonna take this apart. If you're taking this off and you forget like where the wires go, just take a picture of it, and when you replace the timer, just put the wires back the same way that they were in the other timer. Just look at the picture if you're unsure. So we gotta take the gotta take the knob off. Looks like it just twists out, but there's something holding this in here. Yeah. So this is the timer. We're gonna replace this. Hopefully that sound will go away. Also, this is a GE dryer. Got the new dryer timer here. Gonna put it in, hope that works. Got the new timer in there now. I'm gonna plug it back in. And test it. Okay, that's a good sign. Let's see now. So if you ever wanna turn your dryer on with the door open, there's usually like a switch of some kind in here, like either looks like this or a little lever thing that you just push in. So I'm just gonna push it in with my knee. Sweet. The orange in the back is the heating element, so it's working. Put the 4 screws back in. All good. Like and subscribe.